Shares experience of full moon fasting practitioner. January 18th, 2022. I have known full moon fasting for over 4 years, and I have practiced fasting on and off for over 2 years. There are really a lot of changes. My weight dropped for 16 pounds and kept it this way. Before, my throat was always itchy and I always had a little cough. Everything improved after my first fasting practice. Every time after fasting, I feel I become younger. It even feels very light to walk. I'm really grateful for meeting full moon fasting, and I'm grateful to all fasting practitioners for witnessing fasting together. We have to save ourselves before we can save others. When we get better, we can pass it on to our relatives and friends.